and welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. As you can see, I am in my kitchen today, so that means we're going to be doing some baking. And I thought we could bake some chocolate and honeycomb muffins. So stay tuned if you want to find out how to make these yummy little treats. Okay guys, so before we start, I did want to talk a little bit about honeycomb. If you've bought your own, then skip ahead. But if you want to know how to make honeycomb that tastes amazing and smells so good, then I'm just going to go through it really quickly. By the way, all of the weights and grams of everything will be in the description box down below, because I get slightly confused when I talk about all their weights. So I'm just not going to talk about the weights and just say the ingredients, but yeah, it's all in the description box. So to make honeycomb, what you want to do is add caster sugar and golden syrup to a little saucepan and heat on a very gentle heat until that is all melted and it looks kind of like a caramel amber colour. Try not to let it bubble or anything. And then as soon as it goes that colour, you want to tip in your bicarbonate of soda, and you just want to mix it until you can't see the white soda powder anymore, and then tip it into a buttered tin. I did a 20 centimetre like brownie tin, and then you just leave it. Now my recipe, it says leave it for an hour, but honestly it takes about 20 minutes to harden. And then I've just used the back of a wooden spoon and smashed it. So I've got two bits of honeycomb, so I've got kind of like these bigger shards just for decoration purposes, and I've got these little ones that I've just mashed a little bit more to go into the actual muffin itself. So let's get on to how we make the chocolate and honeycomb muffins now. So in a large bowl, we're going to mix our self-raising flour with a little pinch of salt, our soft light brown sugar and caster sugar, and also our cocoa powder. And we're going to give that a bit of a mix and then make a well. And then, if I didn't mention before, preheat your oven to 180 degrees, or if it's fan assisted, 160 degrees like mine is. Next, we are going to mix in a smaller bowl. I have soya milk, but you can use whole milk. So we're going to put some soya milk in here and 2 eggs. I'm just going to whisk that together. You then want to grab all your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients. So here I have sunflower oil and vanilla extract, and my milky egg mixture, and we're going to pour those into the well and whisk everything together. So your mixture is now going to look a little bit like this, and then we're going to fold in our milk chocolate chips and some of our honeycombs. And then I've prepped, I don't know if you can see, oh, it was behind me, but it's here. I've prepped my 12 hole muffin tin with some brown muffin cases. And now it's time to put this mixture in the cases. Okay guys, so here are my muffins. The light's not very good, there we go. And I'm gonna pop them in at 160 degrees fan for about 20 minutes, and then we will check back in at decoration time. Okay guys, guys, so these have been out of the oven for approximately 2 minutes. They're still nice and warm. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a better close-up. So just while they're cooling down, I'm just going to pop in my shards. And don't worry if your muffin tray looks a bit goopy, that is because the honeycomb has melted. So I'm just going to pop them, I think maybe to the side. So let's just pop that down so you can see this process. Okay guys, and there you have it, my chocolate and honeycomb muffins. Let me know in the comments down below if you try these out. They smell amazing and I can't wait to eat one. I'm just gonna let them cool down a little bit longer before I do. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I would love you to join our little family. And other than that, thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.